Whether you're calculating quiz scores, customer or employee performance metrics like satisfaction scores, loyalty points, job satisfaction index, test results, or the total cost of items in a shopping basket, Porsline's calculations feature in Pro and Enterprise accounts gives you the flexibility to handle it all. Let's say you've built an online order form for your store using Porsline. Each product has a different price, and the customer selects an item and enters the quantity they need. Based on this, the form should automatically calculate the total amount and send the customer to a payment gateway. To set it up, click on the Calculations button for each product option and define how much should be added to the score variable when it's selected. By default, this variable starts at 0. Then, apply a calculation to the numerical answer question that captures quantity. For example, if a pencil costs $1 and the customer enters 2, the final amount should be $2. Suppose you want to calculate the total for each product separately and display individual prices at the end of the form. In that case, we recommend using calculated variables, which are available in Enterprise accounts. These variables go beyond the single score field in Pro accounts and allow you to define multiple independent formulas, ideal for forms with complex pricing or scoring logic. Now, let's say you're creating a test and each question has a different score. Ultimately, the form should automatically calculate each respondent's final score. Here's how. Click on Calculations for each question and define how many points should be added to the score variable when a correct answer is selected. To award points for selecting either of 2 correct answers, use the OR condition. To require both answers for full credit, use the AND condition. For numeric answers, like scale or rating questions, you can define calculations based on the selected number. For example, in a job satisfaction survey, the total score reflects the sum of all ratings across different questions, indicating an overall satisfaction level. Using calculations in logic, imagine you're running an internal test with 2 levels, basic and advanced. Only respondents who score 50 or above on the basic questions should see the advanced section. You can use the score variable in logic conditions to achieve this. Respondents who score below 50 can be redirected to a thank you screen. In the results table, you'll see the score column for each respondent, and you can sort or filter responses based on it. In the charts section, you'll see visual stats, including averages and standard deviations, ideal for deeper analysis. Need help setting up calculations or formulas? Our support team is always here to help.